Imagine a world where AI learns and optimizes on its own. This is the new reality we're entering. In this video, we will dive into the exciting evolution of self-learning AI agents. These advanced systems operate without human intervention, changing the landscape of technology forever. Self-learning AI agents are revolutionizing blockchain technology and decentralized finance, or DeFi. They streamline processes and enhance efficiency in ways we never thought possible. Let's explore their impact on asset management and smart contracts. First, let's understand self-learning AI agents. These models adapt based on new data. They improve their performance over time, becoming more efficient and accurate. This means they can manage assets in ways traditional methods cannot. Next, we'll look into blockchain technology. It provides a secure and transparent system for transaction records. By integrating self-learning AI agents, we enhance the effectiveness of blockchain. They can analyze vast amounts of data instantly, making transactions faster and more reliable. Now let's discuss decentralized finance, or DeFi. This innovative financial system runs on blockchain technology. Self-learning AI agents create new opportunities in DeFi. They help manage risks, automate trading, and optimize investment portfolios with precision. An example can help clarify this. Picture an automated trading system powered by a self-learning AI. It analyzes market trends and adjusts strategies in real time. This adaptability can lead to better investment outcomes and reduced losses. To summarize, self-learning AI agents are game changers. They enhance blockchain technology and DeFi, driving innovation in automated business processes. These systems learn, adapt, and improve, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Are you ready to embrace the future of technology? Subscribe FutureMind AI Trends to our channel for more insights and updates on autonomous AI agents and their impact on our world. Your journey into the future starts now.